Hey there, how are you all doing? I hope each and every one of you watching this video right now is doing good. Myself Agneva Maiti and I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. So as promised earlier, हम आपके लिए एक series लेके आए हैं which is Feb Batch analysis of all the companies which come in for sponsorship in February batch. So today we will be discussing about the very famous Anglo Eastern Ship Management Company. So without any further ado, let's get on with today's video. So firstly, if I talk about AESM or Anglo Eastern Ship Management, it is a very well-known, one of the top-ranking shipping management companies right now in the maritime industry. It is a Hong Kong-based company and has been in this industry from a very long time. If I talk about the cadets of Anglo Eastern, they are basically sent to their own institute, namely Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy, which is located in Karjat, Maharashtra, and it was established in the year 2009 and was operational from February 2010. So since that time, all these courses have been carried out in Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy for all these Anglo Eastern cadets. If I talk about the courses which are offered in Anglo Eastern Maritime Academy, it will be GME, Graduate Marine Engineering, then we have ETO, Electrotechnical Officer course, and also we have the very famous DNS course or Diploma in Nautical Science leading to BSc Nautical Science. As we all know, today we are discussing about February batch, and I believe most of you all watching this video right now might already know that only and only DNS is the only UG program or the undergraduate program after IMCT which has its batches in February as well. Otherwise for BSc and BTech we only have in August, right? So yes, today I'll be discussing about the DNS part for Anglo Eastern, specifically the February sponsorship selection procedure. Alright, if I talk about the eligibility part, for plus 2 candidates or 12th pass out candidates, your PCM percentage should be 70 or above 70, and your English percentage in class 10th or 12th should be 60 or above 60. And apart from this, if you're an NIOS student or an open board student, you are eligible as well. Provided, in our opinion, you should have a PCM at least above 75%. That is a normal requirement stated by the interviewers themselves. Graduates are also eligible for going in this DNS program. But for BSc PCM graduates or BSc Electronics with Physics graduates, you have to have 65% in your final year. And for BTech graduates, you have to have 65% again in your final year. And the age criteria and the medical requirements are same for all these candidates, which will be you have to be psychometrically fit, you have to clear the psychometric test and clear the DG medicals as well, and your eyesight has to have 6/6 vision in both eyes, and no color blindness is tolerated in this field, of course. Also, the age criteria is very basic. It is 17 to 25 at the date of joining in the institute. The written and interview part for Anglo Eastern is taken in offline mode only. There is no online procedures. So once you give the written, you clear the interviews and you go through your medicals and psychometrics, and also you secure a good rank in IMCET and get your name in the merit list, you're good to go for the Feb batch. And of course, for Feb batch, we don't have a separate IMCET. So basically, the rank which you have attained in August 2024 IMCET, that will be only applicable for this upcoming February batch.
Hey guys, आप लोग वीडियो तो देख रहे हो, पर क्या आपने फॉर्म भरा? नहीं, राइट? ऑल्सो स्किप नहीं होगा, इट्स नॉट एन एड. आफ्टर ऑल आपकी हेल्प के लिए ही है, चाहे मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड बेसिक डाउट्स हो या प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प चाहिए हो. Our mentors are always there for you. So fill the form in the description and like this video before you go.
Now, if I talk about the number of seats which Anglo Eastern has in February batch is 120. Which is quite good, I would say. A lot of students there or cadets they are taking in their February batch, which is quite good, I would say. At the same time, there are a lot of students who are shifted from August batch due to some medical requirements or eyesight problems, and there are a lot of chances that you might face rejection. Why? Because even though if you clear the written or go through pass through the interview part, there is a high probability that you might get merit out due to your rank. If you have a good rank and a good PCM, everything will be taken into consideration, and then you will be admitted in the official merit list. So yes, the process will be tough. It will be obviously hard because there are less number of seats, but at the same time the number of applicants are more. So you have to prepare very well, and I wish you all the very best for your preparation as well. And for those who have stuck till the very end of this video, I am also going to mention about the stipend offered by Anglo Eastern and also the waiting period, which these are the two main factors which a lot of aspiring candidates are keen to know about. So if I talk about the stipend offered by Anglo Eastern is more or less about $500 plus every month. And if I talk about waiting period in Anglo Eastern, it is very less. Max to max, it can go up to 3 months after your DNS completion. My conclusion for students who are preparing for this February batch would be, if you have a good PCM above 70 or 75 and have a rank below 5,000 or 4,000, you have a very high chance or high probability of getting selected in February batch. So kickstart your preparation today itself if in case you have not yet started. And if you have started your preparation, well and good. Stay positive, keep preparing, and I wish you all the very best luck again. Right, concluding today's video, I would recommend you all to keep yourself updated about the updates on February batch, like when the forms are out, how the written process is taken up and everything. So if in case you want yourself to be updated on every notification from every company, just subscribe us, stay connected with us on each and every social media platforms, and you will be updated on the same. And also at the same time, I would recommend you all to just fill this form in the description box below. It is free of cost call assistance from our Budding Mariners team. You can just get in touch with mentors like us, or even you can get in touch with Anglo Eastern mentors at Budding Mariners if you wish to. So yes, that will be it from my side for today. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for imucet and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.